Hi, I'm Jason Cole. I'm a pastor at Regal Heights Church in Dartmouth, Nova Scotia, and I'm also a board member of Halifax Christian Academy. And let me tell you why. You know what, as a pastor in this area for a long time, I've had dozens of our students from our churches who have gone to Halifax Christian Academy. And I've always known that HCA was a good place to get an excellent education and had good moral fiber. But now why I got involved in the last couple of years has been because I've seen a change for infusing discipleship in absolutely everything that they do. So with this increased vision of discipleship infused education, Halifax Christian Academy has become so much more. It is still the great place where your child is going to get the best education. Our students routinely get hundreds of thousands of dollars a year worth of scholarships. And as we seek to not just be an excellent place for academics, it is a place where with smaller class sizes, you have a greater relationship with your teacher. You have the ability to pray in the middle of any class over anything that literally we put Jesus Christ at the center of everything, right down to math and art. In the heart of Halifax Christian Academy is not just to protect your child, but to prepare your child for the future, whatever that may be. So I encourage you to check out Halifax Christian Academy and enroll today. God bless you. Have a good day.